getting you some more breaking updates coming in right now. The Joint Parliamentary Committee meeting on the Waqf Amendment Bill at Mumbai's Taj Hotel witnessed chaos when TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee disrupted the proceedings. What we have learned, viewers, is that TMC MP started shouting at the delegates, leading to the halting of the JPC session. Okay, that is the picture where you can see ruckus during the JPC meeting on Waqf. A lot of chaos. And this time, TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee disrupted the proceedings. Kalyan Banerjee was seen shouting at the delegates, leading to the halting of the JPC session on Waqf. That's what we're learning of right now on Republic TV. And I want to go straight across to my colleague joining us, Harsha. Harsha, if you could take our viewers through what happened. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has created ruckus during the JPC meeting on Waqf. If you could take our viewers through what really transpired there at that meeting.
So, Shivangi, these are the visuals first on Republic, which is of the JPC meeting in Mumbai, to tell you that the several rounds of meeting already happened of the Waqf amendment of the JPC. But now the tour has started from Mumbai from 26th to 1st of October. And these are the exclusive visuals on Republic, where we have got to know that at the time when Gulshan Foundation head Irfan Ali Pirzada was presenting his presentation about the Waqf amendment bill and what are the amendments and what exactly could be done in the amendments. At that time, Kalyan Banerjee indulged in a ruckus and the chaotic scene. He stood up and started screaming at the official of the Gulshan Foundation, who was Irfan Ali Pirzada. At that time, Chairman Jagdambika Pal stopped him. The entire JPC was halted for a second, and the visuals we could clearly see all the JPC members are here at a hotel in Mumbai where the important meeting is happening, and the several foundation members and the Waqf board members have been called to give the presentation on what are their thoughts on the Waqf amendment bill and how could we proceed forward, and if there's anything to be to not be amended, and if any problem in this Waqf amendment bill to share. It was that time when Kalyan Banerjee, TMC member of parliament, stood up. He started screaming and shouting, and most of the opposition leaders also joined him when they started stopping the Irfan Ali Pirzada to give any presentation. Almost for 15 minutes this meeting was halted, and after that now meeting has once again resumed. And Shivangi, this is not the first time when opposition leaders have created such ruckus and chaos in the JPC meeting. Earlier also in the parliament we saw that Kalyan Banerjee, Asauddin Owaisi and also A. Raja and several DMK leaders also several times they created ruckus because they don't want the Waqf amendment bill to be amended and also to be presented, the report to be presented in the parliament. So these are the exclusive visuals. We also spoke to Naresh Maske, who is the BJP MP from Thane, and who has spoken that how these opposition leaders don't want the Waqf amendment bill to come in favor of the country and any amendments to be made. Back to you.
All right, thank you for joining us there. In fact, we're getting some reactions on how this matter really played out. Let's listen in to as political parties react on TMC MP creating the ruckus during a JPC meeting, so much so that the entire meeting had to be halted.
आज जेपीसी की बैठक मुंबई में चल रही है। बैठक में गुलशन फाउंडेशन के लोग वक्फ बिल अमेंडमेंट के बारे में आज विटनेस करके आए हैं, और वो वक्फ बिल अमेंडमेंट बिल के बाजू से बोल रहे थे। तब विरोधी पक्ष के कल्याण बैनर्जी उठ के उनके ऊपर चिल्लाना, उनको बाहर निकलने की बातें करना, उनका अपमान करना, ये कौन सा नीति में है? ये महाराष्ट्र में तो मैं चलने नहीं दूंगा। जो विटनेस यहाँ आए हैं उनको जेपीसी कमेटी ने बुलाया। अगर उनका अपमान करना, वो मुस्लिम लड़के लोग हैं और वो वक्फ बिल अमेंडमेंट बिल के बाजू में बोल रहे, इसीलिए उसका अपमान करने का ये कौन सा तरीका है? ये देखो, विरोधी पार्टी में स्पर्धा चल रही है लोगों को गुमराह करके कि ये बिल के खिलाफ हम लोग कितने काम कर रहे हैं, कौन ज्यादा मीटिंग में चिल्लाता है। ये स्पर्धा में किसी भी मेहमान का अपमान करना, ये महाराष्ट्र में तो सहन नहीं करूंगा और जो बाकी जगह पे भी ना हम लोग सहन नहीं करूंगा।